Hi kids! Wow, so many fruits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 fruits. Our first fruit is grape. Light green color, green color. Our second fruit is banana. Light green color, light yellow color. The fruits are so colorful. Third fruit is cherry. Red color, green color.
Wow!
Our next fruit is corn. Yellow color, green color. Our fifth fruit is strawberry. The shape of a strawberry is heart. Green color, red color. What is your favorite fruit, kids? My favorite fruit is mango. And this is pineapple. Green color, yellow color. Our last fruit is lemon. Yellow color, green color. Let's join them again. Grapes. Banana. And this is strawberry.
No.
Do you enjoy it, kids? Corn.
Hiya!
Cherries. So today we have learned 7 fruits name. Lemon. And our last fruit is pineapple. Today we will also learn alphabets. Wow, so many things. Let's open it. 1, 2, 3.
Hiya!
Do you know that they all are erasers? You can also separate their parts. A butterfly. Black color, green color. This is so nice.
Wow!
Second one is a flower. This is so colorful. A red color flower. Third one is a bird. This is cockatoo bird. Yellow color. Join them again. Black color butterfly. Red color, green color. A pink color bird.
no, 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 no.
Oh wow! A cheek inside the egg. This is eraser also. Let's open it. This is so cute. You can also separate them. Let's separate.
No, 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 no.
A green colored cheek. White colored egg. Join them again. Do you like it, kids? Oh wow, color crayons. Orange color, blue color, yellow color, sky blue color, dark brown color, red color, green color, brown color, and our last color is purple color. Let's learn numbers. Blue. 1 1 11 1 1 11. Red. 1 2 12 1 2 12. Sky blue. 1 3 13 1 3 13. Green. 1 4 14 1 4 14. Dark brown. 1 5 15 1 5 15. Orange. 1 6 16 1 6 16. Yellow. 1 7 17 1 7 17. Purple. 1 8 18 1 8 18. Red. 1 9 19 1 9 19. Brown. 2 0 20 2 0 20. Now say with me, kids. 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning.